Oh my gosh. That's the first time I've seen this truck since the day of the accident. Look at that. Ah, gosh. It's crazy to see this right now. It's phenomenal what this truck was designed to do. Instead of the engine, slamming into the cab and basically crushing my legs, the engine, the transmission all went down below. And if you look in the cab, it's almost as if nothing happened other than the airbags. And before I even know what's really happening, OnStar's ringing on the rear view mirror, checking on me. It says 911's already been called, they're on their way, are you okay? I'm never gonna have a car without OnStar, ever. This truck either saved my life or it saved my livelihood, because I could have very easily gotten in this accident and then never walked again stepping out. I'm just so thankful for every engineer that put the hard work in. The fact that I'm just standing here today, I kind of get chills just thinking about it. And one of the things that was maybe even more impressive is I called the Hewlett family and I was talking to Don Ross and I apologized for what had happened to the truck, and he immediately said, no, don't worry about it, Chet. Listen, trucks are replaceable, people aren't, and you're not. And I'm just so thankful to have a partner like that. And I know my family is too.